guys, how he's going? Just heading down to get a scooter for the day. Kaylee and I are going to head to the Sticky Waterfalls. We just got our bike. We're going to go head up to, I think it's about a 50 kilometer, what was it, 50 kilometer drive? 59 kilometer drive to the Sticky Waterfalls and check them out. We'll see you there. We just arrived, took about an hour and a half to get here from close to the old city in Chiang Mai, and we're gonna go walk down and check it out now. This is what it looks like here. There's actually like shops and other little stores and stuff that you can go to. People doing bike tours. So we're here, we just walked down. This is the waterfall. Just over here. Apparently you can walk up it. Yeah, apparently it's really grippy and you can just walk directly up the waterfall. Looks like there's ropes and stuff as well to help you. We're halfway down the bottom. The white parts of the waterfall, apparently you can just walk up it. It's not slippery or anything at all. Oh! Oh! That was very close. We just walked down the bottom of the waterfall. This is what it looks like down the bottom. It's a lot taller here. Kaylee's climbing to the top. Keep going. So I probably shouldn't have done that. I just took the Luminex up the waterfall. Pretty risky. So that was the bottom. We're just climbing up the top now and checking out the very top of the waterfall because we haven't looked at that one yet.
These are like the biggest stairs known to mankind.
I know. It is because the water does wash it out though.
Oh.
So many insects.
I know.
Listen to the insects.
They were louder earlier.
I know, well they're louder where we're, is it where we're staying or where we stayed before? They were super loud.
Yeah. In Pai.
Pai, yeah.
Oh my god. Some poop. That's hard.
There's a lot more tourists here now.
Yeah.
White people. Where we had our stuff, this tour group of Chinese came and just put all their stuff right in front of ours, on top of it. Basically took over our area, so we moved off a bit of fitness the last couple of months. Come on, Kaylee.
Hi.
And we're at the top and there's just like hundreds of tourists. So we won't be spending much time here, but there's a viewpoint here. This is what it looks like. Now they call them viewpoints here, not lookouts.
We made it.
That's the start of the descent. There's a commando just over there helping people down. Full camo gear. Send back to the bike now. We're gonna leave here, and on the way up we've seen some temple stairs. Look, they look like they're really old temple steps, so we're gonna go check them out. And then there was like this old building with like haunted house. It looked like it was basically looked like it was haunted, so we're gonna check that out on the way. There won't be any footage on the way, just like on the way here, because the roads are way too dangerous.
And the GoPro's broken.
And the GoPro's broken. Oh, look at that, that's so creepy.
Oh no, I don't like it here. Oh, I don't think we're supposed to be in here. Oh, there's people coming down.
Yeah, there's 5 people, but
yeah.
Maybe just
whoa.
There's a Buddha down there too.
I don't know if we're supposed to be here.
Yeah.
Oh, up there though.
We're gonna leave here because it doesn't look like we're supposed to be here. It just looks like it's supposed to be for Thai people. So that's the place we're gonna go check out. It looks super creepy. We're just driving down this sketchy looking driveway.
Oh my god, we're gonna get eaten. Oh my god. Brakes, brakes. Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. Oh, I don't like it here.
Kaylee is clenching onto me so tightly.
I don't like it. Oh my god, it's super creepy.
Pass me the camera. Oh,
We can come out of the bushes and just kill us.
we should go down there.
No.
Okay.
No, you can if you want.
Nah, it's alright. We'll turn back. We need to go get lunch anyway.
Do you want to go down there?
Nah, it's okay. There'd be nothing down there. I wanted to go walk in there, but it doesn't look like there's much place you can... I'll just have a quick look. There's a door over here. Oh, it's super creepy. Oh, it's so overgrown. Oh. Oh, that's creepy. With that light coming through the... Oh, there's stairs. Oh. Alright, I better get back to Kaylee now. She's probably freaking out. Trees growing inside the stairs.
I'm so scared. And I can hear something over there.
Yeah, there's someone up there cutting something with an axe.
I kind of want to go and see it, but I'm scared.
Come with me.
Really quickly.
Alright, quick. We're going back in. I kind of wanted to climb up the stairs, but I don't know how strong they would be.
No, you're going too far.
Come on. I want to know what it used to be because it's quite a solid building.
Oh, yeah.
Like, look at this.
Oh, it's so creepy.
Has to have been here for like so long. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that snail shell
Yeah, there's heaps of them.
compared to my hand. Like, it's massive. Imagine if the bike was gone.
going.
Lunchtime? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Just arrived back in the old city in Chiang Mai. We're just walking in to get dinner, some lunch now. Gonna end the video here today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a pretty long one today. It's probably gonna be close to 12 minutes. We're gonna go get dinner now and we'll see you again tomorrow.